Need more high-speed data on Mint Mobile? Here's how to add it quickly. You have three main options: via the Mint Mobile app, the website, or by contacting customer service. In the app, log in, go to Plan or Add-Ons, choose your data amount like 1 gigabits for $5, and confirm payment. On the website, sign in and use Manage Plan to buy add-ons. For help, call 1-800-683-7392 or use live chat. Remember, you need an active plan, unlocked GSM phone, and funds to add data. Turbo Boost add-ons 5 to 15 offer faster speeds if you have a 5G-capable device. Activation is usually instant, taking under 5 minutes after 2025 updates, so you can get back to streaming, gaming, or whatever you were doing. Get the most out of your Mint Mobile data with these practical tips. First, monitor your usage in the app and set alerts to avoid surprises. Use Wi-Fi calling whenever possible to save cellular data. Enable data-saving modes on apps like YouTube. Consider Mint Mobile's Turbo Boost add-ons for temporary high-speed needs. A 2025 app update introduced an AI-powered data optimizer tool which predicts your usage and suggests add-ons. Watch out for network outages when adding data. If you consistently need more data, consider upgrading your plan to avoid slower speeds after you hit your limit. These tips are all detailed in Mint Mobile's terms of service in the app.